What's up, guys? This video today I'm going to make is intended for anybody that owns a Fortune and they're looking for some good quality headlights. There's so many headlights on eBay, so saturated full of shitty headlights, and I bought a lot of them, and so I wanted to make a video today showing you ones that I've found and done a little bit of research on. What really sold this for me is the aesthetics of it. It has triple LED reflector headlights. You got 2 for your running, and then you're going to have 3 running for your high beams. And then you have these DRL lights. Your turn signal is also super cool. When you turn, it'll blink real slow like this. It also has like a little 3-second warm up, I guess. You start the truck or you turn on your headlights, it'll do like a little preloaded warm up where these lights will turn blue and then crystal white. And these are really bright too, just like OEM Dodge headlights. Got these because they're super clean as well. There's no amber or anything in there. So it really matches my truck, which is all black for the most part. The attention to detail is just amazing on these. Like, you look up Morimoto or anything else online for $1,500 and you just get that basic look with the projectors. Yeah, they may be a little bit better quality, but for $1,500 you can buy 3 sets of these. So, and these also look much better than Morimoto's that they make right now. But yeah, Morimoto does make some good stuff, but I'd rather have these. So what you're going to need is a 10mm socket. Also, there is a 10mm socket far down in there, and this will do. I also use a little wobble extension right here. It allows the socket to move slightly, so you can kind of reach angles without having to use an actual knuckle joint or something. You got 10mm here, 10mm down there, and then you're going to go through the back, and there's a white clip. That white clip right there, you're going to push up on it, and that'll unlock it. And then you're going to have to reach in there with your hand, push against the back housing of the headlight, because there's like a socket right here, and it'll pop it out of that little joint. And just watch, I'll show you. There's one more down here, but I already pulled it. Push it out. Then you want to feed the outside lens out first, since there's like a lip right here and it tucks behind your grill. There you go. You are done. And you're just going to do these little clips. This little white clip, pop it up, push in and out. This one, of course, is kind of broke. Somebody already messed with it. The red clip here, you pull it up, and then you just push it with your finger and then pull it out. The thing about these, they're basically plug and play. This extra wire right here will tap into a wire that I've already previously ran. It's right here. And there's one that feeds this headlight. There's one that feeds the driver's side headlight. These 2 will just plug up here and here. This little small red wire that I ran, you're going to tap into your fuse F66. How I did that. It's real simple. Right there. This one. Fuse 66. And I'll make it nice. I'll cut out a little groove on the corner of this fuse box right here. Lay it in where it'll seal. I tucked it in. Ran one to this one already. I ran it down here. I'm going to use some zip ties and put them against this wire loom right here that runs across. Also, what I wanted to mention is remember where your turn signal plug is. So it's the one with the red clip. It would be your outside plug, the one with the longer wiring. The short ones for your low and high beam. And this one you want to tap into this wire. It is the one with the yellow. And that'll run your blinker, which is integrated into here. If your headlights came with protective plastic, keep it on there just so you know your buttons on your jacket or whatever else isn't rubbing against it and just putting scratches all in it. You want to feed this in first, like I said, because it has a lip. Put it in there and it'll catch it. And then gently. Also, you want to check, make sure your plugs aren't getting crammed in the back like that was, not allowing it to be pushed in all the way. coming together pretty good. Got one more bolt down here. Tighten this one. And close this little panel here. Everything's super crystal clear and white. And like I said, these are all LED bulbs, and so when you run your high beams, all three are projecting out. I would also recommend, don't go crazy like me and secure all your wiring and everything and bolt everything down before temporarily kind of putting you in your lights and doing what I said, backing up 25 feet and finding your cutoff, because that'll have to be something you need to do. If you go on eBay, they're pushing $600. You can make an offer and they're pretty good at working with you on the price. I haven't ran these for very long, so I'll do a review over the longevity of these, but for now, they'll work.